Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Pioneer country sausage gravy. So if you have somehow lost this package, or if you just like a visual representation of how to do things, we're here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your country gravy. We're going to need 2 cups of water total, but they will be divided. You're going to need a saucepan and a bowl or some other vessel to mix this up in, and a whisk. First thing that we need to do is put 1.5 cups of water into your saucepan and get those brought to a rolling boil. My water is already in here, so let's get it boiling. Now, while that is boiling, we're going to come back over here to our bowl and the rest of our water. We have 1.5 cups boiling, so we've got 1/2 cup of cool water that we're going to put into our bowl. And then we're gonna open up our package of gravy mix and put the whole thing into the 1/2 cup of cool water. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. And now we are just going to mix this until it is well combined. Make sure that you scrape your sides and bottom. That's well combined. Set it aside, and now we wait for our water to boil. All right, our water is vigorously boiling. We are going to give our mixture one little final swish and then pour it into our boiling water and stir vigorously. And you can turn off the heat at this point too. The gravy is beginning to thicken. I'm just gonna keep stirring for a little bit so that it can thicken up evenly. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, I have stirred that for about another 30 seconds or so. It has thickened up nicely, but if you're going to serve this, go ahead and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes or so, and it will thicken up a little bit more, and then it will go great over your stuff. So here is our completed Pioneer country sausage gravy. If you guys are ever at the grocery store wondering if something is worth your money, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we review everyday grocery items and let you know if we'd purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.